Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are obviously decorating my apartment with like all the cute things that I got. You all saw in the haul that I did in the previous video. If you all have not checked out the previous video, please do that. So today we are just gonna put it everywhere in my room, in my apartment, and then we are also finally gonna set up my Christmas tree. And I am so looking forward to it. Like before even filming the video, I was just procrastinating it. I don't know why, but now that I'm filming this, I just got excited a little. And maybe by the end of the video I will do some baking. I have never ever done baking in my entire life, so today is gonna be the first time. So I will search up some easy peasy recipe and we're gonna bake something, and I hope they turn out to be cute and Christmassy. Let's start decorating my apartment first. This wreath on Pinterest and it was covered with like bows and it was looking so cute. So I'm gonna try to do something similar right now. Guys, I am finally done decorating everything. Everything in my apartment looks so Christmassy now. I am so happy, and let me just show you all everything. We are baking and I have my apron on. I feel like a chef. And yeah, let me find some quick recipe and then we are gonna start. Okay, I have put the cupcakes in the oven, but I'm so scared. Like literally I'm running away because I'm just... Guys, I am tired, like really. I was doing so much DIY, then I was like cleaning everything, decorating everything, and all of that actually requires energy. I just thought it's fun and I'll be so chilled out about it, but I'm actually tired. But we don't have time because it's my flatmate's birthday tomorrow and I have to pack her gift. I got this for her. It's so pretty. Okay, I think I managed to wrap the gift decently. Like this is cute, right? I think it's cute. And I also got a gift for Anik for Christmas, so I thought like while I'm at it, I'll pack his gift also. I think like I did a cute thing here, and even this is done. Oh, also I got these things from IKEA, right? You all know, you all saw it in the haul. So apparently these are like these stickers, and I think I'm gonna put like the stickers on the gifts right now. See, so you just like take it and I think, okay, it's actually very cute. Okay, now I think I'm gonna start setting up my Christmas tree. Finally, I was just waiting for sun to go down a little, for it to get like a little dark, because I know like when I'm doing the whole thing, I want the vibe to be like that. Guys, we are doing it. Here I will be putting my Christmas tree, and I think y'all have not seen it yet, so here she is. It's 6 feet tall. It's like huge and it's heavy also, but I am strong. Like 5.8 kgs. So I'm just gonna open it up, and I'm also gonna play some Christmas music while I'm doing this, because we wanna get into the vibes fully. We wanna romanticize this process fully. So music is like important. Guys, so I did all of this mehnat only to realize that this is like the second one and this is like the base. So I have to remove everything, put this up, and then put this again, and then this last one. It's so much work. Guys, this is my tree. I have finally set it up properly off camera, because it genuinely took me like 35 minutes to put this up, and now I have to fluff this and like branch to branch go in, open everything, which is gonna be way too time consuming and energy consuming, and I don't know, I think I should call for help. I think I should call my flatmate right now. I have these ornaments. Some are like silver, golden, and then obviously rose pink. So I'm just gonna start putting them up, and I don't know if these are enough or not, but we'll see. Guys, I also have these rose gold ones, but I only have 4 of them, and oh my god, do you guys remember these snowflakes I got? They're so cute. I have so many ribbons. Like, this is pink, I have cream, I have maroon, I have red, so many of them. I really wanted to do like a tree with like Christmas bows and like cute bows. You all know I'm obsessed with bows, so I really hope it looks cute.